Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt drinks. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of plain yogurt, which can be full fat or low fat, and about 1/2 cup of your preferred milk. Don't forget a sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, to taste. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious and refreshing beverage. Now, let's achieve that perfect, creamy consistency. Pour your 1 cup of plain yogurt and 1/2 cup of milk into a blender. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener. You can adjust this amount to your liking. Blend everything on high speed for 30 to 60 seconds, ensuring there are no lumps and the mixture is perfectly smooth. Want to personalize your yogurt drink? This is where you can get creative. Try adding 1/2 cup of your favorite fresh or frozen fruit, like berries or mango, for a burst of flavor. A small pinch of spices, such as cinnamon or cardamom, can also elevate the taste. For a colder, thicker consistency, simply toss in about 1/4 cup of ice before blending. Your delicious homemade yogurt drink is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a tall glass, and if you like, add a small garnish like a fresh mint sprig or a few extra berries for a lovely touch. This drink is best served immediately, but if you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.